Okay, this is Mike, the guy who can't get his engine started, and somebody requested a video, so let's do that. So here's the motor. It's all fresh, more or less. I got it cranked around to the timing mark. It's right on top dead center. The distributor pointed at number 4. I don't know if this shows. Let me see. Keep an eye on this. You can see the dowel in there. And now I turned the camera off for a minute, but I bumped it around to number 1. See the mark's just a tad past, and we're good. That one's tight. That one's tight. So I think, and here's the distributor. So I think timing is okay. Fuel pump's on. A couple squirts. Backfire already there. Okay, that was that. Bump it up maybe a bunch. So I can't get it above 1,000 there. Try that, see if I can get one more good shot. Okay, that's all I've got.